Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer Spotify playlists to YouTube Music. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Transferring playlists between music platforms can be frustrating, especially if you've spent years building the perfect Spotify library and now want it on YouTube Music. First, you'll need a third-party app because Spotify and YouTube Music don't offer a direct transfer option. Open the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android and search for an app called SongShift. Download and install the app, then open it once the installation is complete. After opening SongShift, you'll need to connect the services you want to transfer between. Start by connecting Spotify. Tap on Spotify, sign into your account, and agree to give SongShift access. Once Spotify is connected, you'll need to add YouTube Music as well. Tap to connect YouTube, sign in with your Google account, complete any verification if prompted, allow access, and then continue. Once this is done, both Spotify and YouTube Music will appear as connected services inside the app. Then tap on Continue, and you will be on this page. Now comes the actual transfer process. Tap the plus icon to create a new shift. Choose Spotify as the source service, then select the playlist you want to transfer. This can be any playlist from your Spotify account, whether it's a single song playlist or a large collection. After selecting the playlist, confirm your choice. Next, choose the destination. Select YouTube as the destination service. You'll then have the option to create a new playlist or add the songs to an existing one, and then proceed. SongShift will now analyze the tracks and try to find matching versions of each song on YouTube Music. Review the matches, confirm them, and start the transfer. The app will automatically create the playlist on YouTube Music and add the matched songs for you. Depending on the size of your playlist, this may take a few seconds or a few minutes. And that's it. So that's basically how you can transfer Spotify playlists to YouTube Music. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.